Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are running a WordPress website and suddenly find that your posts are returning a 404 error, don't worry, you are not alone. This is a common issue and today's video I am going to show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. So what exactly is a 404 error? In simple terms, it's an HTTP startup code. That means the page you are trying to access could not be found on the server. If your WordPress posts are returning a 404 error, it usually means there is an issue with your permalinks. So let's checking and restarting permalinks. The first thing you should do is check and reset your permalinks. I am in the WordPress dashboard now. Let's open the permalink settings by going to setting, then permalinks. Once you are in the permalink settings, simply click Save Change without making any adjustments. This action forces WordPress to refresh your permalink structure. In many cases, this alone can resolve the 404 error. If resetting the permalinks did not work, the next step is to check your .htaccess file. This file controls how URL are structured on your site. Sometimes it can get corrupted, which can cause 404 errors. So open your .htaccess file and make sure it contains the correct WordPress rewrite rules. I'm in the cPanel now. First let's go to the file manager. Then navigate to the public_html folder. Here we can see the .htaccess file. Let's rename it. Then create a new .htaccess file. And post the code. I will provide the code in the video description. After that, check to see if it works. Deactivating plugins. Still seeing that 404 error? It can be plugin conflict. Deactivate all of your plugins and see if that resolve the issue. I'm in the cPanel. First go to File Manager. Then navigate to public_html. Then to WP content. Here we can see the plugins folder. Let's start by rename it. After that, check your post to see if the issue is resolved. If it works, you will need to rename the folder back. And then check each plugin one by one to find out which plugin is causing the issue. Flashing rewrite tools. This is advanced. If none of the previous method work, you might need to flashing your rewrite rules programmatically. This is a bit more advanced, but don't worry. I will guide you through it. I'm in the WordPress dashboard now. We need to go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Open the function.php file. We need to add a code here, which I will include in the description. So after editing this code, refresh your site a couple of times, then remove the code from the function.php file.